morning, student. Today is a math class. In this, we are going to study about the new chapter, squares and square roots. Now, in this chapter, what we are learning, the brief of this chapter is, here we are first to find out, we are learning what is the square number. What is a square number, right? And what is a perfect square number? Then how to find the square numbers of a given number. How to find the square of a given number. So this is a new chapter to you. Okay, this is a very important chapter for you as a basic. Okay, if you learn this, then you are able to solve the problems in your higher classes. Okay, all the problems is related to this squares and square roots. Next you have cubes and cube roots also in the same way. Okay, now here finding the squares, positive numbers, negative numbers and their properties, also how to find the square roots of the perfect square number. You have only that much in this 8th standard, squares and square roots. Clear? Now, first thing is, let us understand what is a square. So here a squared number, that means for example, let us multiply a number. So you are familiar with the algebraic expression in your 6th and 7th standard, is it right? Now first you are multiplying a into a. What you are writing this? A into a. Yes, correct. This is a squared. See, a number a is squared. That is the squares. A squared. Similarly, x into x is what? X squared. Right? Then, if you are writing m square, so what is the meaning of that? This is the product of m into m. It is the product of m into m. Right? See, these are the algebraic letters, means alphabets. So we are not getting any value. So just we have to write like this. The power of a number is squared. When a number is squared, okay, when a number is multiplied by itself twice, a number is multiplied itself like this twice, then it is written like this, p squared. P squared. So p squared means what? P is multiplied by itself twice. Okay, this is alphabets. Now coming to the numbers. Then look at this, 1 squared. So what is the meaning of 1 square? It is nothing but 1 is multiplied by itself 2 times. So the product is 1. See here, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. This 1 is called as the product. Right? Similarly, 2 squared. That means 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Then 3 squared. That is 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 4 square, 4 into 4 equals 16. Followed? So like this, a number which is multiplied by itself. A number is multiplied by itself twice. So like this, 4 into 4, it is the product is 16. Okay, any product what we are getting by multiplying a number by itself. A number multiplying by itself. Then the product what we are getting, that product is called as perfect square number. Perfect squared perfect squared number. Perfect square number. Clear? So which is called as a perfect square number? A number which is multiplied by itself. A number which is multiplied by itself, that is called perfect square number. Okay. Now write some perfect square number. Means, just I am writing here, 0 squared. When 0 is multiplied by itself, so this is 0 into 0, that is 0. Then 1 square. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 square. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 square. 3 into 3 is 9. 4 square. 4 into 4 is 16. Then 5 square. 5 into 5 is 25. 6 square. 6 into 6 is 36. 7 square. 7 into 7 is 49. And 8 square. 8 into 8 is 64. And 9 square. 9 into 9 is 81. Then 10 square, that is 10 into 10 is 100. Now here this row is called as n squared. A number is squared. It means that you have to multiply the number. See here in this is called as base and this is power. Base, power, like this. Base and power. So here the base is multiplied by twice itself, or base is number multiplied by itself, like that. See here the same number. Therefore a perfect square number is defined as the product of same integral number. Same integral number. So this is the definition of a perfect square number. So what is a perfect square number? Perfect square number is the product of same two integers. So that is called integral number. See here I have taken only the positive numbers. I have taken only the positive numbers. So here this is what the product we got. So here these are the perfect square numbers. Now observe these perfect square numbers. Observe the perfect square numbers. Now here 0, 1, 4, 9. These are the unit place number. Here there is only one digit, so this is considered as unit place. Here is 2-digit number. In this unit place is 6. Here is 2-digit number. Unit place is 5. Here is 6. Here is 9. Here is 4. Here is 1. And again here is 0. On observing these perfect square numbers, what we can conclude? On observing the perfect square number, what you can conclude? Here we can conclude that the unit place of a perfect square number, unit place of a perfect square number are either 0 or 1 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 9. See, the perfect square number unit place is any one of these digits. Any one of these digits. Clear? The perfect square number is ended by any one of the digits 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Then, on observing these, which are the digits that do not occur in the unit place of a perfect square number? See, 0, 1, after 1, what is the number? 2. After 2, 3. 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, then 7 and then 8. See, these are the digits 2, 3, 7, 8. These are the digits which do not occur in the unit place of any perfect square number. These are the very important points. So there is a dash, questions are there. Which are the digits that occur in the unit place of a perfect square number? So which are the unit place? 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. The digits that do not occur is 2, 3, 7, 8. Clear? See here, these 4 digits are not occur in the unit place of a perfect square number. Right? Then, if a number is ended by these digits, that numbers always not a perfect square number. Remember this. Are you understood this? So, first thing is, what is a perfect square number? A perfect square number is nothing but the product of same two integers. Product of same two integers is called a perfect square number. Then, second point is the digits, unit place digits ended by only these 6 digits 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. The digits that do not occur is 2, 3, 7, 8. Clear? Now, for you, it should be there in the classwork. What you can do is from 1 to 20. 1 to 20, you have to write the number like this. 1 square, 1 into 1 is 1. 2 square, 2 into 2 is 4. 3 square, 3 into 3 is 9. 4 square, 4 into 4 is 16. Like this, up to 20 you have to write neatly. Make a table like this. Okay, then you should learn that. So whenever I ask the question, you should tell the perfect square number and which number on squaring we will get the perfect square number like this. Now, for example, 36. Which the number on squaring we get the 36. That is 6 square. 6 square is 36. Like that. Okay. Now, next thing is here. This is one thing. What is that? The perfect square number. Now, what happens if you are multiply the negative integer? You know that integers are positive and negative, right? Now, what happens when a number, negative numbers are squared? Look at this. Minus 1 squared. This is what? Minus 1 into minus 1. And multiplying minus into minus, it becomes plus 1. Okay. So, minus 2 squared. That is minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 to the 4. Then minus 3 whole square, that is what? Minus 3 into minus 3, that also plus 9. Like this, up to 20 you have to write. Minus 20 whole square, that is minus 20 into minus 20 plus 400. Clear? So this is what? The negative integer. Now, after observing these two, positive squared and negative squared, so what is the solution? That means the answer is always positive. So this is very, very important. Remember this. Whatever the integers, whether it is a negative integer or it is a positive integer, the product is always positive. The product is always positive. Clear? Right? I'm telling about the negative integers. Now, the product of positive or negative integers is always positive. Now look at this. Plus 1 square is what? 1 into 1 is 1. Plus 1 only. Similarly, minus 1 whole square, that is minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1. Clear? So 2 square is 2 into 2 is 4. Then minus 2 whole square is minus 2 into minus 2, that is also plus 4. So whether the integer is positive or negative, integer is positive or negative, the product is always positive. The product of positive or negative integer is always positive. Okay, therefore the perfect square number are always positive numbers. Clear? So that you have to write your own. So what is a perfect square number? So a perfect square number is the product of same two integers. That's all. The definition of perfect square number is what? The product of same two integer is perfect square number. Then the digits do not occur in the unit place of a perfect square number are 2, 3, 7 and 8 are the digits which do not occur in the unit place. Then the digits that occurs in the unit place of a perfect square numbers are 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Okay, these are the digits. Now, next is if the digits are ended by 0, 4 like that. For example, 20. This is the product of two numbers, 4 and 5, 2 and 10, like that. Here 0 is there in the unit place, but this 20 is not a perfect square number. Clear? So a perfect square number may, or any given number ended by 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 may or may not perfect square numbers. Remember this. Okay. But a perfect square number always ended by these digits. Okay. That you should practice. Now, after knowing this, so the digits occur in the unit place and all. And positive integers, negative integers, the square of positive integers and square of negative integers. Now, next thing is the perfect square numbers that I am writing like this. 1, or you can take it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or shall I write like this? In a column wise I will write. So this is very important. Look at this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 0 to 9 digits are there. Okay. Now when you square this, so squaring of this means 0 square, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square. Then perfect square number are 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64 and 81. Now look at that, the digits occurs in the unit place. Now I am taking 0. Okay. Unit place is 0. Unit place of a perfect square number. Unit place of a perfect square number. Unit place of a perfect square number 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. If, look at that, unit place of a perfect square number is ended like this 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. To get these numbers as the unit place of a perfect square number, number ended by the digits, number ended by the digits. So for example, if you want to, or if you are seeing that a perfect square number ended by 0, then you should think which number on squaring we will get 0. So for that, the number ended by zeros only. 10 square, 20 square, 30 square, etc., etc. So remember, this is the first thing. A number ended by 0, when you square that, the unit place is always 0, like this. Now coming to this, if you want, or the unit place having a 1 as a unit place digit, then look at that. Here is 1, here is 1 and here is 1. So which number? The number ended by 1 and 9. Understood? Those number ended by 1 or 9. Both number, if the number ended by 1 or the number ended by 9. Number ended by 1 or 9. If you square these numbers, then only we will get 1 in its unit place of a perfect square number. Clear? So once you know these things, these are the basic things. When you know the basic things, then you can find out the square root of given any perfect square number easily. So no need of take much time to calculate the square root of a given number. So only after learning these things, basic things. Okay. Now 4, look at this. This 4 number 2 and here is 64 number 8. So number ended by 2 or 8. Number ended by 2 or 8. Then when you see, for example, I am giving here 11 square. So after writing the tables, you will know that 121. See, look at this, unit place is 1. Similarly, 19 square, then 361, that is ended by 1. So if you want, check that one. Similarly, 12 square, so that is 144. Look at this, unit place ended by 4. Similarly, 18 square, 28 square, 38 square, 48 square, like that. Then if you want 5, look at this, unit place is 5. Is any other number? No. So number ended by 5, that number always ended by 5 only. For example, 15, 25, 35, 95, 105, 1025. See, here the unit place is 5. When you square this, its unit place always ended by 5 only. Clear? Now, next, look at the number, which is the number that 6. 6, look at this, here is 6 and here is 6. So which are the number? Number ended by 4 or 6. Number ended by 4 or 6. When you square the number, its unit place always ended by 6 only. Then next is 9. So 9 is here and here. The number ended by 3 or 7. 3 or 7. These are the number ended by the digits. Clear? Understood? So you should learn this. This is the formula type. So why we need all these things? We need these things to find out the square root of a given perfect square number. Square root of a given perfect square number. How to find the square root of a given perfect square number only after knowing these basics concept. Okay. Now, just let us take some example. I will give you this only. We will take number 17. 17. Then square this. So we will get 17 into 17 and multiplying 7 sevens are 49, 4, 7 ones are 7 plus 4, 11. Then 17 ones are 17, 9, 8, 2, 289. Look at the number ended by 9. Then we will give only the perfect square number. Then you have to find out which the number or where the perfect square of that number or which number on squaring we will get this number. So in that case you should learn this. Okay. Now to tell the square of a perfect square number, which number on squaring we will get the perfect square number, we should learn three basic things. Three basic things. One is the squares of zeros. One is the squares of zeros. Second thing is, here this is the number. And third is finding the square of a number ended by 5. That I will tell you now. Okay. Then after knowing that, you can tell the square number of that given perfect square number, right? Now, first thing is, first thing you should learn is what? 10 square. Okay, 10 square, 20 square, 30 square, 40 square, 50 square, like this. Even you can take as 100 square, 2000 square, like this. So very easy to write the square of these number ended by 0. Okay. Now for this, what you can learn is just you write down the 1 square. What is 1 square is 1. Then here we are squaring. Therefore, how many zeros are there? Double it. So 100. Similarly, 2 square is 4 and 1 0 becomes 2 0. Then 3 square is 9 double 0. 4 square is 16 double 0. 5 square is 25 double 0. Now look at this. 1 square. 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. Then 2 0 becomes 4 0. Double of that. 2 0 becomes 4 0. Then here 2 square is what? 4. Then 3 0 becomes 6 zeros. So this is the way of writing the perfect square of a number ended by 0. Clear? Number ended by 0 is like this. 10 square is 100, 20 square is 400, 30 square is 900. Just you have to write the squares of the tens place digit. If it is 2-digit number, only write the square of tens place digit and write down the double zeros of the number of zeros ending. Right? Now the second concept, that is finding the square of 5. This is very, very important. I already explained in your 7th standard once. Now look at this. 5 square. And this is next after 5 is 15 square. Then 25 square. 35 square. So like this. Then if you want 115 square. So like this. Now look at the carefully. I will give you the hint how to find the square of a number ended by 5. If it is a 2-digit number, it is very, very simple. Look at this. 5 square is what? 25. 5 square is 25. Now to write the 15 square, you just split up this. Split the number. Make it 5 separately. Then write the square of that. 5 square is 25. Here. Now look at this number. What is the number? 1. What is its next number? Next number is 2. Now what you have to write is, write the product of these two. 1 into 2 is 2. Write down here. So this is the square of 15. If you want clarification, just multiply like this. 15 into 15. 5 5s are 25. 2. 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7. 15 1s are 15. 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Clear? So this is what? The square. How to find the square of a perfect square number. Now, so you have to drill work or practice this so many times. Write down, write down, write down. Right? So here splitting this. Now 5 square is 25. 2 next number is 3. Now 2 3s are 6. Now splitting this. 5 square is 25. 3 next number is 4. 3 4s are 12. Like this. Now splitting this. 25. And next is 11. Next number is 12. 11 12 ones are 12, carry 1, 12 ones are 12 plus 1, 13. So this is what? The perfect square of a number ended by 5. Understood? Now check this. 1, 1, 5 into 1, 1, 5. Now 5 5s are 25. Carry 2. 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7. 5 ones are 5. Next 115 ones are 115. Again 115 ones are 115. Now adding this 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1. 10 plus 1, 11 plus 1, 12. 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is this. Clear? So what you have to do is take the rough notebook, go on multiplying like this. Okay. The number ended by 5. So these basic things, two things you should learn. One is 10 squares. Another one is number ended by 5. Okay. So third one is these things. Number ended by 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. So when you are seeing these numbers in the perfect square number of a unit place of a perfect square number, then 0 we should take the number ended by 0 only. So to get the 0 in the unit place of a perfect square number, then we have to square a number ended by 0 only. Then here to get 1 we should take the number ended by 1 or number ended by 9. Then to get 4 we should take the number ended by 2 or by 8. And this is the only one number ended by 5 only. Number ended by 6 is 4 or 6. And number 9 ended by 3 or 7. So this is one more important thing you should learn. So what you have to practice at home is you have to write these three concepts. Drill work. Write down some 2, 3 or 5 times in a sheet. Okay. Then when you are as anybody, so where the number, perfect square number lies, or they are giving one number, perfect square number, then tell me the square, which number on squaring we will get this product. Without calculation we can tell the number only after knowing these three things. Number ended by zeros, right? Number ended by zeros, number ended by 5, number and the number, right? To get the perfect square number, unit place of a perfect square number. Which is the unit place of a perfect square number? See that and then you can tell the number. Yeah. So these are the three basic things. Now let us take how to guess the square. Which number on squaring we will get the number. So how to tell that? So using these three concept. Yeah. Now I am taking one number. Let us take this. For example, 64. This is a perfect square number. 64 is a perfect square number. Then which number on squaring we will get this 64. So for this, look at the procedure. First you write on the number line. Then here this 64 lies between two, which are the two numbers, means ended by zeros. Then here is 10 square and here is 20 square. So 10 square is 100, 20 square is 400. So but this is 64. So this lies between 1 and 10 only. 1 and 10 only. So 1 square is 1 and this 10 square is 100. Okay, clear? Following? 64, I have taken the number 64. So this perfect square number in the number line lies between 1 and 10. So numbers, number line numbers, on which number on squaring we will get this. So how to calculate that? So we are using this one. So first thing is over. Second thing is write the squares of this. 5 square, next is 15 square. So 5 square means what? 25. And this is 2 to 5. So 2 to 5 is more. Therefore, first here you write down the number. So 64 lies between 1 and 5. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and here is 10. Okay, here is 1 square is 1, 10 square is 100. Now we have to guess this. Look at the unit place 4. Then take the third part. The number ended by 2 or 8. Number ended by 2 or 8. Now look at this. 2 is left of this number. So here the square of this is 25. So your 64 lies between 25 and 100. So between this 2500 we have these 4 digits. We have these 4 digits. Now on squaring 6, unit place is 6. Squaring 7, unit place is 9. Squaring 8, unit place is 4. Squaring 9, unit place is 1. But here is 4, then definitely this is what? 8 square. 8 square. Clear? So this is how to identify on which number we are squaring, we will get the given perfect square number. Right? See, I will explain this again by taking some more example. Don't worry about that. We are not understand like that. Repeat the videos, see that, pause it where you are not understand, pause it, listen again, and then you have to work out, drill work. You should practice, right? So after that again I will take the examples and we will do the next concept. Clear? Okay, bye.